In this video, I'll show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to add the music bot. Make sure you're the server owner or have permission to add apps. Next, click the server name in the top left corner and select Server Settings. From the left sidebar, click App Directory. In the search bar, search for Green Bot and open it. Click Add to Server, choose your server, then click Continue. Review the requested permissions, click Authorize, and complete the verification if prompted. Once the bot has been added successfully, close the app directory and return to your server. Now, join a voice channel. In any text channel, type !play and select the command. Enter the name of the song you want to play, then press enter. The bot will search for the song and start playing it in your voice channel. To add more songs to the queue, simply use the !play command again and enter another song name. And that's how you can add a music bot to your Discord server.